be feeling like fuck cops, let them get the buckshot.
So yun po, no, what's up sa inyo? Another shirt, another day, mga kaibigan, no? Today's video, no, samahan nyo ako, magde-deliver lang po ako ng isang t-shirt sa isang tunay na sumuporta sa ating Attitude Shirts, no? Tara, abangan din nyo, magkikita kami at i-deliver ko na. So yun po, no, mukhang nakikita ko na tong si Paring G. Yo G. What's up G? Lapit mo. Yun po, no, bibigay ko na yung order ni Paring G.
Thank you.
Yun, no, sala.
Ano to, unbox?
Unboxing reveal lang. Lapit, yun, no.
Ayun. Ang ganda. Yun no?
Yun, no.
Quality. As in, worth it yung pera nyo dito. Hindi tinipid sa sa quality. Ang kapal ng t-shirt. Galing. Thank you. Try natin guys.
Lang yan, sakto sa iyo ah.
I don't just talk, I do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. They was gonna hate, I know it.
Oh G, ano, maraming salamat ah.
Thank you so much sa sa pa-t-shirt mo.
Yeah, maraming salamat sa
Oh.
maraming salamat sa support. Okay, ingat ka. Okay, next time. Bye-bye. Okay.
I be feeling like fuck cops, let them get the buckshot. Dollar bill, I'ma show you where the buck stop. Hit them with the kung pao, I be going nuts now. Used to get the rum rap, shorties won't fuck now. Baby, I'm back again. Ain't nobody iller. Beating on my chest like a fucking gorilla. Grew up on a tribe called Quest and Jay Dilla, but the Mac taught me how to swing donuts. For real, I'm just a product